Analyzing digital charts and the code, watching every candle on the road. Got the pattern signal for a new gain, breaking through resistance in the fast lane. We call him Crypto Rally, a legend in the game. Yeah, Crypto Rally, everyone knows the name. He finds the next big breakout, makes the market soar. He finds the next big breakout, makes the market soar.
Hey party people, welcome to the rally. I'm going to go ahead and look at Bitcoin and Pixel, do my Pixel afternoon update. I was busy this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and look at it. So let's go ahead and look at the charts. Looking at Bitcoin, let's zoom out to the daily. So I had from this bottom to this recent high, we're coming down, we're hitting the 618, that's 77,833. We have this 236 down here at 76,753 and the 786 at 76,529. I get to this 236 area from, if you zoom out to the weekly, from the top right here, from the 82,825 all the way down to this bottom at 60,000. That is where I get this 236 level. Zoom in, get the 236, you got the 382, get the 0.5, then we got the 618 and 786 down here. So if we need a bigger pullback, you can see we're crossing bearish on the weekly. So if we end up needing a bigger pullback down to here, this is where I find where I see major support being and maybe a potential bounce. But we are not there yet. So we want this daily level to hold, which you can see it is trying to hold right here. So zoom into the 1 hour. You can see we're trying to hold. Stock RSI is coming up on the 1 hour. Stock RSI is at the bottom on the 4 hour trying to curve. And the daily is down at the bottom trying to curve also. So Bitcoin is trying to hold this level and turn bullish. We will see what happens. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this level and start moving higher. Now, switching over to my Crypto Rally Ultimate Token Analyzer, I'm going to select Pixel. So Pixel Coin, Analyze Token. It's going to bring up the current market cap, which is 6.86 million market cap, 7,277 holders, down 11% in the past 24 hours. 1 hour change up 0.65%. Volume $2,940. 1 hour TA mildly bullish. The low risk token and TA verdict over the past 24 hours is bearish. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up Deck Screener. Right now, 338 traders, 206K volume, 256 buyers, and 234 sellers in the past 24 hours. So buyers are trying to step in. You see people selling, but you also see people buying. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. And you can see from this tippy top right here, all the way down to this bottom where we had the bounce and move up. We got pretty close to the 618 at 0.006220 and the 786 at 0.005063. So this is where I have major support in this area. So let's see if we need to come back down or if we're going to go up from this area. So if I look at the RSIs, 4 hour down at the bottom, 4 hour RSI is still coming down. 1 hour RSI is trying to come up off the bottom right here, trying to turn things around. Stock RSI is coming up. And the daily coming back down. So maybe come all the way down, maybe into this area, turn around and come back up. So that is what I'm looking at. Let me zoom in a little bit and see. BCC. So we have this high right here. I usually don't do this, but just to give us something to look at. So from this high down to this low right here. Right there, this high to this low. And then we also have resistance right there. But you can see we are coming through the 786, 618. You can see we came up, resistance, resistance, and now we're trying to break through. So if we do break through, we break this high, we want to head up to this area up here, and you can see there's more resistance in this area. So hopefully blast through, come up, consolidate, maybe come down a little bit, and then go higher. So if, like, say it does come up here, like say we do hit the top here, then I would reverse the fib. Reverse the fib, and then we would want to hold the 618, 786. Let me go ahead and change the color. Easier for me to see. Change it to orange or yellow. Change it to yellow. So then we want to hold the 618, 786, which is down in this area right here. That we had issues coming through, but right here we want to hold this, make a lower high, lower high. So here's a low, lower high, and then or higher low, yeah, higher low from this low, bounce, and then hit higher if we get up into that zone. But we are not there yet. So let's man, need some water. So let's see if we can go ahead and move up and go through that level, or if we have to come back down here. So right now we are moving down, but trying to find supports. Go ahead and just delete all this stuff. Delete all this stuff. This was my downtrend we had, hitting all these tops. So start making our way up. Might have to come back down and then through, but we will see. We'll see if we can hold, get back to this 0.5, and then head higher. And here's your supports: 618 again, 0.006220, 76.005063. So good luck to everyone. Again, not financial advice, and I will see you in the next one.